guys, so this is Suite 12 in Penya. So go in, then your key card goes here, the thermostat, and then you have these cupboards, and inside you have hangers, spare duvet, hairdryer, safe looks like this, 2 towels, and space for your clothes. And this is the lampshade. And then you have another cupboard. Then inside you have 2 robes. Again, space for your clothes. And some slippers here. Very nice. And then you come in here and you have, is this an espresso machine? I don't know, but it's this cremosa, and you have some pods here, decaf, Arabic blend, another decaf, another Arabic blend, and some sugar. So if you are diabetic, you'll be fine. And then in here is the fridge. Open it. And you have kombucha, organic kombucha, Coke, beer, 2 waters, and another type of water. I think you have to pay for this though. Okay. And then in here you have some glasses. You have this lampshade here, and that's your air conditioning unit, which you control at the front. Okay, and then you have a toilet. So in here you have shower, quite a lot of room, probably 1 person. A shower, and you have some the Octane shower gel, shampoo, conditioner. That's what it looks like. Is the water funnels through there, and you've got a light up there. And then you have a toilet, tissue, spare tissue, some taps. I don't know what they do. You flush, a window there, the light. That's that. And then this is the sink with some more shower gel, 2 cups. And this is your tap. And 2 towels. And you have a dental kit, 2 dental kits from Untitled loofah, the vanity kit, another body milk, shower gel, shampoo, and I thought this was rice boats. Don't know, some salt, I guess, and a mirror there. And this is your bathtub, and it has, again, 2 towels, and then I guess a floor towel here, and because it turns on with this tap somehow, yep, and it has some type of jets on the side too, so that's nice. And also there's a curtain that you can pull up. I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, I have this chair too. Okay, and then you've got a TV, LG screen TV, a wooden ornament here. I'm guessing that's Wi-Fi. And this is your bed. And then the ceilings are quite high, like wooden beams, which goes across the whole room. And I showed you on the other side, but that's your bathtub. And I guess if you want some privacy, you can put this down, or have someone watch you take a bath. That's that. Okay, yeah, so down here we have a bedside table. Some space here, stuff, some more space. Give you some alcoholic gel. Seems to be a chain on the wall. I don't know for what reason. And then another chain on the wall. Again, I don't know what you're tying up next to the bed, but okay. And then we have a telephone and more gel, anti-bac gel, and then more drawers here. And then space again there. And then these two buttons, it turns this on. So this one turns that. This one turns your lampshade on and off. And here we have, I think it's a humidifier. Changes colour. There you go. I don't know if you can see, but there is some vapour coming out of that. I'll turn it off for now, just in case. I don't know how to turn it off. Oh, there we go. It's off. It's done by plug. Then here, have a chair, again with a chain on the wall. A table and another chair. And here you have a window. I just pull this. Oh, 1 second. Oh, that's cute. So you can see some of the garden from here. And outside you can see I think that's the restaurant. And then down there, I think that's the entrance. That's nice. And then finally here you have a curtain with a door. Then if we open this, yep. Okay, so, and the aircon just stops, so when you open the door, I guess it stops the air. You have 2 beach chairs or sun lounges. And you have some flowers here, some trees, grass with a nice view of the field. And yeah, I guess this is nice for you to sit down and chill. And then here you've got an umbrella parasol thing. And then again the view down there of the restaurant. So that's nice. Oh yeah, and also you can close these if it gets too hot, I guess, and you just want the air. You can close this. I don't know how this works. I guess do that. Closes. You can have this open if you want some natural air, but I'm gonna close it. And look, so that's it. That is a standard suite in this on Penya.